Red ant nests are usually found in soil, cracks, and moist hidden areas, but the real trick is not where they live, it's how quietly they hide. You might see a few ants crawling on your floor, your plants, or your walls, and think the problem is small. But what you are seeing is just the surface. Because somewhere nearby, hidden from sight, there's an entire nest working silently, growing, spreading, and sending ants back again and again. And until you find that hidden nest, this cycle never really ends. If red ants keep coming back to the same spot, you're not dealing with ants, you are dealing with a hidden nest. And here's what most people don't realize, a red ant nest is not just that tiny hole you see. It's an entire underground system, with tunnels, chambers, and one queen. Thousands of ants, controlled by one queen. And as long as she survives, the nest keeps rebuilding. This is why most methods fail. You kill visible ants, but the nest stays alive. You seal the hole, but ants create a new exit. You spray chemicals, and the colony splits and spreads. So instead of removing the nest, you unknowingly make it stronger. The first solution is counterintuitive: don't kill ants instantly. Instead, let them carry something back to the nest. Mix jaggery with a pinch of boric powder or baking soda, and place it near their trail. Worker ants will carry it back, and that's how the nest starts collapsing from inside. This is something most people ignore, because it doesn't kill ants instantly. Lightly disturb the soil around the nest, and sprinkle cinnamon powder. Cinnamon breaks their scent trails, and without direction, the colony starts abandoning the nest. Neem is not just a repellent, it disrupts the entire life cycle of ants. Mix neem oil with water and a few drops of liquid soap, and apply it around the nest area. This slowly affects breeding, and weakens the colony from within. But here's something I struggled with, getting the right neem mixture every time. That's when I tried using a ready neem-based solution, which was already balanced for soil treatment. Neem oil concentrate for garden pest control is designed for garden pests and soil insects. It made the process easier, because I didn't have to experiment with ratios again and again. You can check it in the description if you prefer a ready-to-use option. But DIY neem works perfectly fine too, this is just about consistency. If you are using water, the method matters more than the temperature. Use warm water with a little salt, and pour it slowly in intervals. This allows it to reach deeper tunnels, instead of just shocking the surface. Removing the nest is only half the solution. Ants return because of conditions, food, moisture, and easy entry points. Clean food sources, seal cracks after treatment, and occasionally treat the soil with neem. Because ants don't randomly choose your home, they choose the environment. The day you stop chasing ants and start targeting the nest is the day the problem actually ends. Because ants were never the real issue, the nest was. So next time you see red ants, don't just remove them. Observe where they're coming from, because the nest always leaves clues. If you've been dealing with red ants again and again, try these methods and observe the difference. And if this helped you see the problem in a new way, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple, practical solutions like this.